Hello guys, let's see how we can get a last day on Earth coins for absolutely free. This works on iOS devices and works on Android also. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, the game is loaded as you can see. Now you're going to see my coins loading up. Okay, as you can see they're rising up rapidly. And let me show you the process how you can get your coins for free, just like this. So, for starters, let's head over to Safari, search for a website called yeetweek.com, go to last day on Earth. Okay, here it is. Now you can enter your username or email here, go to continue. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you can log in on Android or iOS, depending on the device. Go to continue. Okay, and now you can choose the amount of coins that you are going to get for absolutely free. Now all we're going to do is wait for a couple of seconds and you're going to be transferred to the success page in most cases. Okay, here we are. Resources are sent, which means that in about 2 minutes you can get back to your last day on Earth game and check back your resources. Now, I saw some people on Reddit saying that after it has been loaded, they had some device verification step. Make sure you complete that because sometimes they ask you to complete it. But right after you complete that, you're going to have free resources sent to your account, as you can see with my personal one. Okay, guys, so that is exactly how to get last day on Earth coins for absolutely free. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and I'm gonna see you in some other video. Take care.